Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the Tpms. So this is a Tyre air monitoring system. This one here is unique. It's not like a normal tyre pressure monitoring system. So a lot of cars may have this if you pay for the feature. If not, then you can buy something like this. So this one here, this one is solar powered. You can USB charge it, advisable to do that first. But this one allows you to put it onto your windshield and allow the sun to charge it at the same time. So you can avoid having those wires dangling around the car or trying to figure out how to hide the wires. So let's just quickly look at the box. So first, at the front, you get Tpms, so tire pressure monitoring system. And then if we look closely, as it says, solar charging, USB charging, pressure monitor, temperature monitor, color digital display, anti-high temperature. So with this display, it's a fixed LED color, doesn't change, but yeah. And then you just get a little picture of the tire and the pressure inside. So let's just open it up. So when you first open it, you're introduced to a leaflet, and it shows the display, and it shows that little sign that you'll get in your car, and it says solar Tpms. And it has a manual which I will need to look at to change the settings, but as you can see, it just shows each tire's pressure. So let's just look at the actual box itself and what you get. So you get a USB cable right at the top, just a standard micro USB. You get this nice little foam cutout. This is to protect the products. So let's just pull out the back. So this is where the bolts are. They provide the Allen key, or whatever you would call this, a wrench, to tighten the bolts. And you get some 3M adhesive, 2 of these. And these are so that you can attach the solar panel onto the windscreen. So you get that, put that to one side, the cables. And then you get the Tpms, so the tire pressure monitoring system here. Just pull it out, and what you're introduced to first is the solar panel. So it's quite good in 2020 that solar panels are being built in more and more, considering they've gone a lot cheaper than what they used to be. So yeah, you can attach the adhesives here on either side, and then you just mount it on. Let's just quickly look at it. So you get a display here, and then you get some buttons at the bottom. At the bottom, if I can focus. So you get your back, forward, and modes. And this is what allows you to change the settings too. And one of these are to turn it on. Let's just put this to one side for now. So once you remove that, you get this. So this is quite interesting. This is if you don't want to mount it, you get a rubber mat. So this will just sit onto the mat and it won't slide, but I'll be mounting mine. So it's just a good extra feature they've given. And then you get these. So these are the pieces that you would attach onto your actual tire pressure valves. So it says FL, FR. So front left, front right, rear right, rear left. And these are quite bulky and they do stand out, but once you put them on your tires, you get used to it and you won't notice it anymore. I used to own a pair like this, and what happened to mine was that in winter the metal rusted and was welded on, and I couldn't remove half of them, so I had to break them off. What I would advise doing is applying some grease, so engine oil or anything like that, into the inner rim or onto the actual valve cap, and that will allow it to come on and off. So that was my mistake last time. What I'll be doing is quickly turning this on to show you. Just bear with me as I've never used this before. So that's not the on button. That's the on button. And there you go, here's the display. So as you can see, it shows the front is on the top, of the car. So there's the left and the right, left and right, and then rear left and rear light, and it shows the pressure signs. So considering it's not mounted onto anything at the moment, it shows 0 0. You could technically attach this to a bike, but you would only be using the two, so you'd need to know if you attach it, you would just attach one front left and one front right. One front left and one rear left, or one front right, one rear right, and that would just give you monitoring on one side. So you do have other features, so you can change it from bars, the measurement from bars to PSI, which I'll be doing. I need to read the manual to do that. And it will also, you can set a minimum temperature before it alerts you. So as you can hear, there is sound on here, and there is a backlight if you press the button again, and you can dim it or put it on. And then there's the modes. So if I hold on to modes, as you can see, it gives you units and what you want to change it to. I won't be tampering with that right now. And then it just shows you what is the default setting at the moment. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing and a look at this Tpms tire pressure monitoring system. I'll be installing it onto the car and showing you how to install it, and seeing how it works, and I'll give you a real review after a few weeks of using this. But stay tuned for that, guys. And if you like this video, guys, peace out, and thanks very much for watching.